Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Yeezys. If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also make sure you hit that like button for me. Now let's get into this review, unboxing of the brand new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeshaya. The box label reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeshaya, 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 and I did get my true size being an 11. So let's take a look at these. I have not opened up the box yet. I did pick these up from Foot Locker. It is raining, it is nasty outside, so I didn't do any type of vlogging action. I just wanted to get in and get out. The online release honestly was kind of weird, especially on Yeezy Supply, because these things flew on Yeezy Supply. Adidas.com was pretty quick too. The drop did not last very long at all online, but they didn't seem that hard to honestly cop either. I saw a lot of people take W's, especially in store on these, so let me know down below in the comments, did you pick up a pair? Now let's take a look at these. I'm very excited to see them. We do have the normal Yeezy Boost tissue paper, and here they are, and wow, do these look very similar. I feel like I kind of own these already. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, but these are very similar to other Yeezy colorways, man. It's just like another Landmark, another Citron, another Static. That's exactly what these look like. Toss the box out of here, and let's take a look at these, man. These are the brand new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeshaya, and they look very similar. It's absolutely crazy, and has me, you know, scratching my head on what the heck is going on with these Yeezy colorways, man. I feel like we've had this release already. It is so weird. It is so weird. They don't have a pull tab, so it's a clean look without the pull tab. I like it with the pull tab. I like them without the pull tab. To me, same thing. It doesn't really make that much of a difference. The outsole, that's the difference. That's the main difference, I would say, on this pair. The outsole does have like a light gum-colored outsole. I like the outsole. The upper is so similar to other Yeezys, but they are very clean, right? I mean, look at them, guys. They're pretty clean. I don't think you can really go wrong with this sneaker. If you did cop these, first of all, make sure you hit that like button and let me know down below in the comments. And if you did cop these, I would say that this is a very wearable shoe. Very wearable. You could toss them on with a lot of outfits. So for that reason, definitely a dope Yeezy. I would say if you own any recent Yeezy 350 V2 for the most part, that you don't necessarily need to go out and cop the Yeshaya. If you didn't take a W on the Citrons, the Landmarks, the White Statics, any recent Yeezy for the most part, if you haven't copped any of those and you have a chance to grab these, I would say go ahead and cop these, but I don't think you really need every recent Yeezy like the Landmarks, the Citrons, the Statics. I don't think you need all of these. Can you guys even tell what Yeezy this is? Besides the pull tab? Yeah, guys, this is the White Static. These are the White Statics right here. One of my favorite 350 V2s to release. And I'm going to show you guys a quick little glimpse. So right here is the Static. This is the brand new Yeshaya. I mean, they're very similar. Take a look at that. It's absolutely crazy how similar they are. The White Static, I would say, is definitely more white. This has more gray to it. But can you really even notice that much of a difference in the color? I personally don't think so. I feel like if you have the White Statics, you have the Landmarks, the Citrons, I don't even know how many Yeezys there are, but if you own any recent Yeezy or anyone that looks very similar to this, I don't think you need to go out and cop these. But very clean, can't go wrong. Pretty dope. They are a Yeezy Boost 350 V2, so they are extremely comfortable. If you've never owned a pair of Yeezys, definitely go up half a size. If you want for a tighter fit, you can go true to size. But for a very comfortable fit, I do recommend going up half a size. If you guys want to see how you can lace your Yeezys, I did drop a video recently on that. I'll put a link up above. Make sure you guys go check out that video as well. The upper of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 is Prime Knit, and it is in this gray tone. A light gray tone to it with a little bit of white throughout the entire upper. We do have a translucent stripe running across the whole entire upper as well, and the laces are 3M, so when you take a picture with flash, these will reflect. The midsole is gray, but it has this kind of like see-through kind of color to it, so you can actually see the boost peeking through the midsole. There is no pull tab on this Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeshaya, and you take a look at that outsole. The outsole is a light gum-colored outsole, which I really do like. It does pop, and you will notice it on the back of the sneaker as well. I do like that they chose this gum-colored outsole, because when you do wear a white outsole, such as the Statics, it does turn this kind of color anyway. It It is a little bit darker, but you can see I've worn my statics, and this would happen if this was a white outsole already when you do wear them. So I do like that it is this kind of yellow, light gum colored outsole. And of course you do have that white boost, which is extremely comfortable. On the inside of the sneaker, you do have the Yeezy branding, the Adidas and Yeezy branding, with a very light colored sock liner. It's kind of like this off-white, I would say a very light gray, as well as the insole being that same color. My favorite part of these brand new Yeshayas has to be that outsole. It really does. It's the only main difference, guys. It really is. Now, keep in mind, I have worn my white statics a lot, so they were more white than they are now. But this is the white static, and then here is the brand new Yeshaya. As you can see, the Yeshaya definitely is a little bit of a darker color. Nothing too crazy. It's very, very similar. I do like the translucent stripe. I think that's a good touch, and I wish these did have more reflective to them other than just the laces. There was the reflective pair that dropped, I believe, yesterday as well. I didn't take a W on that. That was a huge L. I never cop on the reflectives, but I definitely like this Yeezy, man. I don't think this is a Yeezy you can really go wrong with. Very clean, not horrible, but once again, not great. This is something that we've seen before, so I can't really get excited about this colorway, personally. I know some of you out there absolutely love these. A lot of you probably think, you know, why do you need these if you own another similar colorway? And I totally agree. So let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Did you pick them up today? Did you take an L? Did you take a W? Let me know down below. Are you actually going to go out and pay resale? I want to talk about resale really, really quick on these, because right now they're not really reselling in most sizes. The smaller sizes will, but most sizes, right around retail for these. And I definitely think that these will take a while, like a very long time, to actually go up in price. I don't think they're really worth holding. If you're looking to hold on to a Yeezy, I don't think that this is the pair to really hold on to unless it is a smaller size. There's one thing that I am noticing that's a little different on this Yeezy, and that's the color of the stitching that does run up right in the middle. It does have this kind of like mint kind of color to it. I really like that detail, but it's very, very subtle. You can't really notice it too much, but it is there just running up the center of the sneaker. There's a look at the back where you do have the white static and the new Yeshaya. Let me know what you guys think about that pull tab. Do you prefer the pull tab or no pull tab? And you can definitely notice the outsole color peeking through with the new Yeshaya being darker. You can definitely notice how dark that is. Other than that, man, very, very similar. Something we've seen over and over and over again. So I'm happy I was able to pick these up, give you guys this review, comparison to the white statics. I don't own the Landmarks, the Citrons. I did sell them because they're so similar, and I feel like I have the best looking 350 V2 in this kind of colorway, which is, in my opinion, the white static. So I don't feel like I needed to hold on to the Citrons, the Landmarks, or honestly these. I feel like those are the best in this colorway, the white static. So I'm going to go ahead and sell these, honestly, probably to my brother for retail. I feel like he wants them, and I feel like he will get more use out of them than I will, and I definitely can pass on these because, like I said, this is not a must cop for me personally. With all that being said, drop a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about the brand new Yeezys. Also, drop a comment down below in the comment section, and if you don't own a similar colorway to this Yeezy, let me know what Yeezy that is down below in the comments, and let me know how you like them in comparison to the brand new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeshaya. I'm very hyped for more Yeezys coming in 2020. To be honest, I do want a new model. We did get the 380. I would love to see more colorways in the 380s. I'm also really looking forward to the 700 V3. I did take an L on the OG colorway. Hopefully they restock those. Maybe I'll pay resale. We'll go ahead and see. But I'm very excited for the 700 V3 and just excited for more Yeezy sneakers in 2020 because, to be honest, I'm kind of over the 350 V2 in this colorway, or these very similar colorways. I'm over it. I love the 350 V2. I feel like we need more 350 V2s, just different colors. Kanye, Adidas, please switch it up because this is not it. this is the same as like what we've been getting for the past, I don't know, year and a half now, and it's absolutely crazy. I am over this colorway on these Yeezys, but I'm very much looking forward to new Yeezy 350s. We did officially get an announcement of the brand new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Marsh that is releasing on February 1st, and looks like it's going to be a Yeezy Supply exclusive, as well as the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Tailgate. There's a bunch of 350s on the way, which I'm very, very excited for. So we will be getting new Yeezys in 2020, of course. They're going to continue to give us the 350 V2, which I personally love, one of my favorite sneakers of all time. So I'm here for it, man, just not this colorway. Kanye, Adidas, I'm over this colorway. I really am. And I feel like a lot of people are over this similar kind of colorway, so I'm very much looking forward to brand new Yeezys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.